In front of me is OPPO F19, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. Begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down to access special features. Now tap on simple mode at the bottom and tap on enter simple mode over here. Now wait. As you can see, easy mode is now on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, go into the same settings and tap on exit simple mode. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!